Hey everyone, it's Casey from Sew and Love, and today I'm going to show you how to make half square triangles using two 4-inch blocks. We're going to start by placing our blocks right sides together. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to draw my diagonal line corner to corner. I'm going to put a couple clips just to hold it to get it over to the machine. And once I get it over there, we are going to sew a 1/4 inch from this side of the diagonal line and a 1/4 inch from this side of the diagonal line. Now, as you can see, I have my sewn line a 1/4 inch on this side and also 1/4 inch on this side. Now we're going to lay it down, put our ruler back down on that line. And then we're going to use our rotary cutter. We're going to cut right on that line that we drew. And now we have two half square triangles. I'm going to take them over to the iron and we're going to press our seams. You can press them either way you want. You can press it to the side. I like to open my seams up when I press, so that's how I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to trim off my dog ears. And remember, we started with a 4-inch block. So now that it is sewn together, we want it to be 3.5 inches. We lost a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch here. So now our 4-inch block needs to be a 3.5 inch block. I'm going to trim my dog ears off my other piece. And now I'm going to lay my square down and using my ruler, not my cutting mat, as my guide for my measurements. I'm going to take off a section of each color, but I am lining this up at 3.5. And I want you to see how my ruler is. So if you can see this little corner box here, this is my 3.5. So this is where I want to trim my half square triangle. So once I have that all lined up, I'm going to hold my ruler and I'm just going to trim that down so that it is my nice, perfect little 3.5 square. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find my 3.5 on my ruler. I'm going to make sure that it is lined up with my lines on my ruler, my corner, and my 3.5 on this side. And then I'm going to trim that down to the 3.5. And now you have two half square triangles, which can be used in many different ways in a quilt. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.